Pose ideas for Afro hair and stunning outfits. Here are some pose ideas to showcase your beautiful Afro and stylish outfits. Classic and elegant. Profile shot, turn to the side and look over your shoulder. This highlights the shape and volume of your Afro. Hands on hips. This pose exudes confidence and can be paired with a bold outfit. Sitting with legs crossed, a timeless pose that allows you to focus on your outfit and hair. Playful and fun. Jumping, a dynamic pose that captures your energy and joy. Twirling, this can be a graceful or playful pose, depending on your style. Laughing, a genuine smile is always captivating. Empowering and strong, staring directly at the camera, this pose conveys confidence and assertiveness. Arms crossed, a powerful pose that shows strength and determination. Leaning against a wall, this can create a dramatic and striking image. Outfit ideas, bold patterns and colors. Afro hair pairs well with vibrant prints and colors. Tailored suits, a chic and modern look that can be dressed up or down. Make it into tutorial on how to style Afro and pose for memorable photoshoot. Whether you're a seasoned model or simply looking for a fun way to express yourself, a photoshoot can be a fantastic experience. This tutorial will guide you through styling your Afro and striking poses that will make your photos unforgettable. Confidence is key. The most important aspect of posing is to feel comfortable and confident. Stand tall, keep your shoulders relaxed, and maintain eye contact. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try different poses. Play around with angles, expressions, and hand gestures. Highlight your Afro. Choose poses that showcase the shape and volume of your Afro. For example, profile shots and over-the-shoulder looks can be particularly effective. Express yourself. Let your personality shine through in your poses. If you're feeling playful, try jumping or twirling. If you want to convey strength, try crossing your arms or leaning against a wall. Consider the outfit. Your outfit can influence your posing. If you're wearing a bold pattern or color, a simple pose might be best. If you're wearing a more understated outfit, you can experiment with more dynamic poses. Pose ideas. Classic and elegant. Profile shot, hands on hips, sitting with legs crossed. Playful and fun, jumping, twirling.